Prague is the capital of the Czech Republic, a country in Central Europe bordered by Austria, Germany, Poland and Slovakia. Prague became the capital of Charles IV's Bohemian kingdom in the Middle Ages, with Prague Castle serving as the empire's seat. Since then, the city has played an important role in the region. Prague's historic past has resulted in a city overflowing with beauty, with magnificent Gothic, Renaissance and Baroque era buildings, as well as grand squares. The statist communist period of the mid-20th century has given way to dynamic capitalism in current times. Tourism has assisted in the redevelopment of the city, converting grey rundown buildings into brilliant beautiful restaurants, lively bars and elegant hotels. The whole 866-hectare-old center of Prague has been included in the UNESCO World Cultural and Natural Heritage Register in 1992. Prague is best visited on foot. From Wenceslav Square on one side of the city to Prague Castle on the other one is a 30-minute walk through the old town, across the river and through the lesser town. The first thing to do in Prague is to walk through the streets and gorgeous square, taking in the atmosphere and admiring the stunning architecture all around. A sightseeing tour conducted by a local guide may give an excellent introduction to the city, since they can explain the history and significance of the sites and attractions. Allow time in your schedule, though, to conduct your own exploration. Prague is a city to wander around, immerse yourself in, explore things and finally find somewhere lovely to sit for a drink, all while letting the worries of the world disappear. Take a walk across Charles Bridge and along the riverbanks to get a bird's-eye view of the water. The most pleasant way to see the riverfront attractions is on a river cruise. There are also lunch, afternoon and evening dinner cruises available. You may also get a panoramic view of the river by going up to Prague Castle or riding the funicular railway to the top of Petrin Hill. Opera, ballet and classical concerts are real highlights in terms of entertainment. Prague is a music city with performances available all year in its great opera houses, beautiful concert halls, old churches and other historic structures. Blacklight theater is another feature of the city for a truly Czech experience. Because the concerts are fast-moving and highly visual, they appeal to people of all ages and nationalities. When it comes to food, the city's restaurants have a reputation for offering good, if not exceptional cuisine. Pub-style restaurants serve hearty food and inexpensive beverages, while fine dining in beautiful areas, such as along the river or with a view of the city, is available at the higher end. The world-famous Czech beer is firmly embedded in the national physique and is joyfully drank in bars and beer halls everywhere. Czechs are the world's greatest drinkers of beer per capita. On bright days, the action go outside. Take a seat on the patio or in the beer garden at one of the numerous pubs and cafes, drink a cold beer or a chilled glass of Moravian wine, and watch the world go by. You'll notice that time just flies away. Join the locals for a non-alcoholic treat at one of Prague's beautiful traditional cafes, where coffee and cake or a luxury hot chocolate is the order of the day. Tourism and increasing business investment have boosted the Czech economy, leading to greater consumerism. Shopping has now become a national hobby. Prague has a fair number of businesses selling the newest international brands, and the Palladium shopping center is the city's largest shopping mall. Apart from Skoda cars, the most well-known locally made product is Bohemian Crystal. A variety of stores in Prague sell the best Czech glassware. Visitors can also enjoy a tour of glass factory such as Moser Glass. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.